Norman, welcome to Arrow Presents. Could we start off by you explaining a bit more about ExactTrak?
Well, I'm Norman Shaw. I was the founder of ExactTrak, and we are a 100% innovative British company. We make mobile data and device security for the IoT sector, and we do it a bit differently. The standard route is through software. We do it through embedded products which are into manufacturers' hardware, and we cover a whole variety of market sectors, just one of which you can see in this little video.
ExactTrak design embedded technology that provides visibility, reporting and remote control of mobile endpoint devices and data. These include laptops, tablets, USB sticks and high-value IoT items such as medical equipment. Existing products are all software-based, require the operating system and are subject to external attack and end-user intervention. ExactTrak technology is embedded into the manufacturer's existing hardware. It does not use the operating system and so is more secure. Using encrypted GSM technology, ExactTrak is not dependent upon internet connectivity and can communicate with the remote device even when it is turned off. This allows for patch management, data security updates and more. One of ExactTrak's unique selling points is the ability to physically destroy the remote data store, preventing any unauthorized access. ExactTrak is working with IBM and other suppliers to implement the deployment of security and analytical products directly to the remote endpoint. ExactTrak was accepted onto the UK government GCHQ Accelerator programme and has subsequently won a government contract for mobile data and device security. This includes the ability to deploy security profiles that automatically turn off components such as microphone, camera and modems based upon location or time. ExactTrak technology is sold as a service by global managed service providers and generates ongoing subscription revenues. ExactTrak has 9 granted international patents and a further 14 in process. These patents protect the core ExactTrak technologies.
So Norman, does that mean this small piece of technology can do all of that?
Yes, all it requires is power and a piece of manufacturer's hardware and you're good to go.
And not only that, you're also embedding a technology into USB sticks like this.
Yes, that's a USB stick on steroids. That's got integrated GPS, GSM, remote control, and you can turn on and off the memory by remote control depending upon location or time. And if everything else fails and you're not going to get it back, then you can remotely destroy the data store.
Wow, in such a small unit, that's great.
In such a small unit.
We do hear all too often of these data breaches where people leave USB sticks and mobile devices around in perhaps coffee shops or airports. So this is really crucial stuff.
It is, because one of the single biggest problems is not necessarily external actors, it's actually human error.
So Norman, it's my understanding that your managed service providers are delivering the ExactTrak technology to their customers, is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. It's part of a managed service and we just license it and they generate ongoing revenue subscriptions and the whole thing is seen as their product.
So for IBM, why would they be interested in working with ExactTrak?
IBM were the ones that encouraged us right from the very beginning. So our platform sits on the IBM cloud and IBM have helped us curate the APIs that allow some of their innovative security products to perform faultlessly on our platform. We work with governments, we work with global enterprise customers and they feel very comfortable with the IBM component.
So for the IBM sellers that are watching this, how do they get in touch?
Well, certainly initial point of contact would be our website, but due to the type of customers that we work with and the sensitivity of the services that we deliver, we would encourage them to reach out to us directly or via Arrow.
Perfect. Well, Norman, thank you for coming in and we look forward to continuing to work with you.
And it's my pleasure.